Assalamu alaikum students, your teacher Zahra Hashmi is here with you again. I hope you all are happy and in good spirits. In today's lesson, we're going to start a new unit from your book, unit number 4, Angels. Have you ever heard about angels? क्या आप फरिश्तों के बारे में जानते हैं? आपने कभी फरिश्तों के बारे में सुना है? The way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created human beings, in the same way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created angels. So both human beings and angels are creation of Allah Almighty. Belief in angel is very important. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Iman is to believe in Allah, His angels and His books. आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया है, ईमान ये है कि हम अल्लाह ताला पर, के फरिश्तों पर और अल्लाह ताला की किताबों पर यकीन रखें. So this means believing in angel is part of our iman. And as Muslims, our iman is incomplete without believing in angels. So we must believe in angels. Angels and human beings are both creation of Allah, but they are very different from each other. Let's learn the differences. Human beings are made of mud. इंसान जो है वो मिट्टी का बना हुआ है. Angels are made of नूर. फरिश्ते नूर रोशनी के बने हुए हैं. So, what are human beings made of? Human beings are made of mud. What are angels made of? Angels are made of noor. Can we repeat the answer one more time? What are human beings made of? Human beings are made of mud. And what are angels made of? Angels are made of noor, light. Let's learn some more differences. Human beings cannot see angels. इंसान फरिश्तों को नहीं देख सकते. Angels can see human beings, but फरिश्ते इंसानों को देख सकते हैं. I have a question. Can you see mud? Yes, of course. So man made of mud is visible, but angels are made of light, made of nur, made of light. We cannot see light. In the same way, we cannot see angels. Human beings eat food, drink water, and sleep. If we don't eat food or stop drinking water, we might die. Angels don't eat food, drink water, or sleep. Angels don't need eating, drinking water, or sleeping. They are very different from us in this regard. So, in today's lesson, we've learned so many differences between angels and human beings. And now it's time for homework. What are human beings made of? Write this question on your notebook. And I just told you the answer in the lecture. I hope you'll be able to write the answer. What are angels made of? I hope with the help of your parents, you'll be able to write the answer to these questions in your notebook. And once you've completed the homework, you can email it to me at zarahashmi83@gmail.com. That's all for today. Have a great day. Happy learning.